How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be checking out LMR's 2001 to 2004 style Lightning replacement grill and the correct 2001 to 2004 Lightning grill paint. Let's get right into it. So we've been chasing a 2001 to 2004 style Lightning grill for a little while now, and I'm excited to finally be able to talk about it with all of you. This grill is very close to the original grill, with the only differences being the area above and below the emblem. This grill has some extra material in these areas, but unless I told you or you know what you were looking for, you'll never know the difference. It still features the horizontal 5-bar design with the small vertical sections positioned at the back of the grill. It accepts a factory emblem and it'll snap right into the grill shell. Speaking of the emblem, go ahead and purchase a new one with your new grill. That way you can complete the fresh look. It does come pre-painted in a satin black color, but I would recommend that you paint it with our grill paint that we're going to talk about in just a few seconds. This grill is designed to be a direct replacement for 2001 to 2004 Ford Lightnings, but it's also going to work with 99 and 2000 Lightnings as well. In the box will be one grill. Now let's switch gears and talk about the paint. This 01 to 04 Lightning grill paint is about as close to the factory color as you can get. I'm not gonna say it's an exact match because, let's be honest here, nothing ever is really an exact match. So during the development of the paint, we were fortunate enough to have both a new old stock upper and a lower grill to reference. This allowed us to dial in the sheen, color, and the metallic in the paint mixture. The kit will include 2 cans of paint and 1 can of adhesion promoter. The adhesion promoter is designed to temporarily soften the ABS material. That way, whenever you spray the first light coat, it absorbs into the grill. This will be plenty of paint to spray just the new grill and to freshen up the lower grill if that's the route you go. You can also use this paint kit to respray your original grills if they need to be freshened up and restored. Just make sure you properly prep your existing grills prior to painting. For this video, we've already removed the grill shell and the grill from this 2002 Lightning. So if you would like to see how this is done, check out the video link in the description. First, we're going to prep and paint the new grill. Using some gray Scotch-Brite and warm water with a couple drops of dish soap, thoroughly scuff all areas of the grill that are going to be painted. Next, you'll want to use a plastic-safe prep spray and wipe any area that is going to be painted to remove any leftover residues and oils. Allow the grill to air dry before painting. Also, before you begin painting, make sure you're working in a well-lit and well-ventilated area. Situate the grill in a position that makes it easy to paint. Shake the paint for approximately 1 minute. Take the adhesion promoter and spray it onto the grill so that it's wet. While the adhesion promoter is still wet, apply a light coat of paint. The adhesion promoter will draw the paint into the surface, creating excellent adhesion. Depending on the atmospheric conditions, allow the first light coat to flash for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you can apply a medium wet coat and allow 3 to 5 minutes for this to flash as well. Apply a second coat and then allow the same flash time. Since this paint covers so well, a third coat is completely optional. Whenever you're finished, be sure and allow the paint to fully dry before assembly. Personally, I would give this a full day. Place the new grill on a microfiber towel and insert the emblem. Use some PAL nuts to secure it to the grill. Set the grill aside and then place the shell face down on the towel. Align the grill with the tabs on the shell. Carefully engage all the tabs. To reinstall the grill shell and the other components that were removed, reverse the removal procedure. After that, you're good to go. All right, folks, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference the description or the website. That's all we have for you today. So until we see you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things Ford Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.